Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, then you have to wait for a few weeks. After that, this tablet will be launched in India, and at that point you can buy this tablet. But before the launch of this tablet, there are many speculations about this tablet. Many people have many questions in their mind, so I will try to answer those questions in this video. Tab S10 FE will come with 11 inches LCD display, and it may have 90Hz or 120Hz of refresh rate, and it will have 8GB of RAM in the base version with 128GB of internal storage. However, there is no assurance about the RAM type. This tablet will come with S Pen in the box, and if you want to edit videos on your tablet, this tablet will feature Exynos 1580 processor, which is more powerful than Exynos 1380 processor in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus. Still, you cannot expect high-end video rendering in 4K 60 FPS in this tablet also, but you can casually edit videos and you can play casual games on your Tab S10 FE. As Samsung displays are very good, so you can expect decent multimedia consumption in terms of video and audio, and it will have stereo speakers, so you will have Dolby Atmos surround sound. But 4K 60 FPS video will have stutter and lag in YouTube. You can play 1080p 60 FPS videos easily. If you want to buy the Wi-Fi version, in that case you may have to pay around 43,000 for the 128GB Wi-Fi version, and for the 256GB you may have to pay around 55 to 56,000 rupees. I think this is a hefty amount. And if you want to know about the launch date, as per leaks and rumors, this tablet will be launched in the month of May 2025. So if you are eagerly waiting for this tablet, in that case you may have to wait for 2 to 3 months to get the hands-on of this device. And if you want to know about the latest deals on tablets, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video on tablets. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.